Well, hello there, friends. So today, here we go again. It's starting to become a habit. It's late Saturday night, and here I am making a video for you guys because I've been so busy this week. Usually, I try to make my videos on Wednesdays or Thursdays. What, Poodles? What? But I've been so busy today. I was up on the roof adding new solar panels because we need more power. So today I was like so busy, but you know what? I do have some good news. This is another short video. Hope you stick out all the way to the end and you'll see what I've been doing here. So today is paint the sewing table day. So I got Smoking Hot over here. She's helping me. We're going to get this thing painted. Yep. Yep. And this is what's left of the waste of the building. So not too much left over. A few minutes later. What, Poodles? What, Mr. Poodles? I know.
Zero.
So the good news is in the last couple of days, I got 4 new customers. So I got 2 chairs there to do. This one here, still waiting on materials. Okay, look at that. Boat seats, boat cushions. And then you remember the Ram Charger seats that we're going to be doing here pretty soon. So yeah, things are happening. So getting everything here together and getting organized. A little disorganized here today from stuff that we're doing today. Got thirsty, right? So anyway, here we are making things happen. So until next time, we'll see ya.